If you want to lose your weight, a very major problem, just stop rice and wheat for 6 months and do 1 hour walking. Simple.
What? Why didn't I know about this?
Unnecessary you are giving money to weight loss centers. Ridiculous. And if you are snoring, the best treatment is lose your weight. The snoring will drastically come down, my friends. Please understand the message. Thank you very much.